These micro camera animal videos are going viral all over social media right now. And this Instagram page has gained 143,000 followers just by posting this exact style of content. One of their videos has already reached 40.9 million views. Now watch what I just created with AI in under 5 minutes. I am going to show you the totally free method right now. Make sure you have subscribed because we are starting immediately. First, open ChatGPT and find the GPTs section. You can find it inside apps or by clicking on more and then clicking on GPTs. Search for micro camera animal and click on the very first result. Open the GPT and click start. It will provide you some animal names to choose from. And you can also enter your own animal if you have something different in mind. I am selecting the third option, which is field mouse. Hit enter, and in just a few seconds, it will provide you 1 image prompt and 5 video prompts ready to use. Copy the image prompt and open Google Flow. Select the image option and make sure your desired settings are turned on. Paste the prompt in and hit enter. Your images will be ready in just a few seconds. Select the one that looks the most realistic and cinematic. Click the 3 dots and choose Animate. Select Omni Flash as your video model and choose your further settings. Copy video prompt 1 from ChatGPT and paste it in. Click Generate and your first video scene will be ready in just a few seconds. Now here is the important step that makes your video feel like one continuous, seamless sequence. Scroll to the very end of your first video and save the last frame by clicking here. This saved frame becomes the starting point of your next scene, so the video flows forward naturally without any visual jump. Click on that saved frame. Click the 3 dots and choose Animate. Copy video prompt 2 and paste it in. Repeat the exact same process until all your video scenes are complete. I have generated 3 scenes to show you the full process. You can generate as many as you want depending on your video length. Download all your clips and import them into your favorite video editor. Add the clips in the correct sequence from beginning to end and add any transitions between them if you want a smoother feel. Now select all the clips together, scale up slightly, and move them downward to completely hide the watermark. Hit export and your micro camera animal video is completely ready to go viral on the internet. Subscribe for more tutorials like this. Drop a like if this helped, and I will see you in the next one.